Cicada, cicada, cicadae. What do you know about painting? I don't know. Maybe we'll use a template to create the illusion of grass, or maybe a tree that these things love to crawl on. Period. Period. Look at all these little periods I have to create in order to give the creature texture. These are often the golden days of summer when the cicada comes out and does its chugga dance. So I figured I would apply some gold leaf to give it that aesthetic. Here we are mixing up the epoxy. This is going to be a clear resin coat on top of the painting, something which I often fail at doing because you do have to move the substance around. Look how its viscosity can be manipulated with not a brush but a postcard. One of my postcards. Here's the finished product. After 24 hours of drying, you can see the translucent layer and how the gold reflects off the sunlight. Very fancy. And the perfect gift. This image is for sale on my website. If you go to tomdenney.com, this painting can be hanging in your gallery today or tonight.
This is not mind control.